If you face significant challenges during your education, the Educational Access Scheme, EAS, can help you get an offer to university. First, submit your UAC application for undergraduate study. Once you've done that, click on the Entry Schemes tab and then click Apply for EAS. Read the overview page to learn how EAS can work for you, and then click Get Started. Select all the circumstances that affected your education. There is no limit to the number of EAS circumstances you can claim. To check the eligibility criteria for any circumstance, click Am I eligible on the right-hand side. When you're done, click Continue. The Review and Submit screen lists the circumstances you're claiming. If you need to provide supporting documents for a circumstance, you'll be prompted to view and download a document package. You'll be able to upload these documents after you submit your application. Before submitting, review your list of circumstances and edit if you need to. When you're ready, submit your EAS application. There are just a few things left to do. First, download your confirmation of application for your records. Next, click Manage EAS Application. Here you can download your document packages again at any time. When your documents are ready, click Upload File. Once that's done, we can assess your application. We'll send you an email to tell you which institutions will consider your circumstances when deciding whether or not to make you an offer. If you are in Year 12, we'll send you this email in December, just before the main offer round for Year 12 applicants. If you're not in Year 12, we'll send you this email within 10 days of you submitting your EAS application or once you've uploaded documents. Institutions that consider your circumstances have the option to increase your selection rank for their courses, making you more competitive for an offer. Need to ask a question? Send an email to equity@uac.edu.au.